Okay guys, we're about to start a new journey that's not for everyone. A real story of starting AI automation business. My name is Sviat, and if you're looking to get instant result, probably this video is not for you. We're targeting to get first results within 6 months and 1 year. If you're looking for quick fix to become millionaire, drive Lamborghini and wear Rolex, this video is definitely not for you because this is not how online business works. I'm here to show you how hard it is to start online business. It's not always pretty, it's not always the work from home. You might even go broke before you start making money. While some YouTubers can show you how easy it is and how fast you will get results, you will not find it here. I will show you the truth, the ugly truth. You will see the old issues I get, the old problems I get, and how I solve them. If you're new in the AI world like I am, you're in the right place. This channel is to create community, to share experience, and learn together faster. Also here we will talk about self-discipline, especially how to stay focused, because as I said above, this will take more than half a year to get first result, what means that you don't need the motivation, you need discipline and routine. It will be so hard and so long, but we are starting a journey where the sky is limit. Hi everyone, my name is Sviat and welcome to my channel. I will be sharing my experience how I'm starting AI automation business, and hopefully it will help you to avoid my mistakes and learn much faster. Here I will be taking you behind the scenes to see how I build my AI automation agency, and hopefully you can get something from it. For people who don't know who I have 5-year experience as a software engineer, 2 years as a CEO of software company, and I will talk to you from the experience and also how I learn. Hopefully it will help you. Now let's discuss why AI. Because of this year's boom of ChatGPT and all AI technologies, it's become kind of clear that everything can be optimized, all the processes can be optimized. And because of there is no much competitors right now, this is kind of blue ocean. We can learn something very fast and start providing the value to the world. The opportunity of AI field can be called blue ocean, which means there is no much competitors on the market yet. And this is a space where we can create demand and get quite a lot of clients just because of not much competitors. And this is the beauty of AI right now, and this is what means blue ocean. Let's not forget, sailing in this blue ocean is not easy. We have to learn so much and so fast, plus it will be sometimes hard to find a solution because you can't just Google it because people just never saw these issues. So be ready for this. Before we start providing the value to customers, we have to learn at least 2 tools, is Zapier and Make. AI automation opportunity today is same like SMMA in 2017, but unlike SMMA, AI automation will require a little bit technical knowledge, so definitely go and learn every single day. The hard part is to figure out what can we offer. What can AI automation do for business? Well, this is what exactly I'm going to cover in next video. To give you a little bit of announcement, I will share the 3 tools of what you have to learn before you start the service. This is something unique nobody is talking about in the YouTube. At least I didn't find it. So it will definitely worth it to subscribe, like, and to not miss my next video. Another ugly truth of the starting online business is that it can't really start with zero money. So you have to definitely invest. I already invested 500. I expecting to invest up to 2,000 till the 6 months, and I will share all details. Now let's discuss what I'm going to actually offer to my clients. I'm not going to very niche down for industries or company size and so on, but I will niche down to solution I provide. For example, I will focus on lead generation management for my clients, so I will optimize this process. Another offer what I will going to cover in the next video is to help manage the invoice contract. So to give you some example, it's big companies are often get invoices or contracts through the email, and they have dedicated managers to copy and paste all the data in their CRM. So this is the opportunity where we can dive in. In the next video, I will describe exactly what tools you need to use and why it will be helpful for the business. Stay tuned. See on the YouTube that a lot of AI automation gurus are saying that you don't need any website, just start with zero. It's easy. It's like easy to learn and so on. Another hard truth is that you cannot really go with zero money. For example, you have to purchase domain, you have to build a website, and you have to purchase for tool to have like automation. Let's say I will do a cold email outreach, so I need to get leads for this one and another, and I need a tool for mass email marketing. I already spent $500 and I hoping to spend not more than 2,000 in total up to half of the year. Very important to mention that I have a ChatGPT 4 subscription on the OpenAI that brings big difference in my life. For example, I created a SEO assistant when I will where I can ask the questions that it helps me to understand what's next steps, some strategic thinking and so on. Very worth it. Also, another important thing what I have, even though I am a technical guy, I created a tech assistant ChatGPT when I have some bugs and I cannot fix some automation and so on, or find the ideas to integration. I ask ChatGPT 4 for helping me with it. Also, I have a marketing assistant when I need when I want to optimize SEO of my website or find another stuff. I also ask this marketing assistant to help me. That speed up very much my process, and I think it worth it again to purchase it. If you don't, I think you should. Another thing what I have is the personal trainer assistant, where I ask for nutrition and training, what exercises I have to do and so on. And also I give him the updates, how my progress goes, and it helps me so much and also speed up my process. Analyzing my experience where I was integrating a software solution to these businesses, I can say one thing that I see: if companies doesn't integrate AI solutions to their workflows, they will be first to die. Very often the businesses understand that they have to integrate AI solution, but they don't know, they don't have ideas and knowledge, and nobody really talks a lot about this. And that's why we are on the blue ocean, and that's why we have to learn fast, because yes, right now we don't have a lot of competitors. These guys who will be faster in the learning, faster in the fulfillment, they will beat everyone. So that's why I decided to start this business, and obviously learn fast is the key. Beyond this YouTube channel, you can contact with me on Instagram, on the threads. Also, you can subscribe to my newsletter, weekly email letter. Also, you can subscribe to weekly newsletter where I will share my weekly notes, and also you can get some kind of insight from this. That's it for today. Hope you find this discussion informative. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.